Hello guys, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a great strategy for stocks on pocket option. Right, this is another video about the stocks, so don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to properly trade on it with my strategy. Let's get started. So we're in a broker, right? As you can see, today we'll trade on the company's shares, and I have already analyzed and selected all the assets. You can see them before your eyes, guys. The most optimal character movements and percentage of payments at the moment. And today I will trade based on the trend, and for this I have selected the following trend combinations of indicators. This is an alligator with the full settings, fractal with a period of 5, and in the kit there is an oscillator to the momentum with a period of 15. Fairly simple strategy, and in the course of my trading you will understand how to use this combination correctly, right? Indicators and how to look for the signals to enter a trade. Let's start with $100. This is a half of the amount of my starting balance. I will try to explain each trade in detail as always, so that by the end of the video you will have a lot of information as possible. So let's get started, and let me select the first stock. Alright, short position can be immediately opened. I choose shares of the company Apple company. Let's highlight the workspace for you. First of all, earlier there was the formation of a local maximum, and accordingly it should be formed local minimum. It has not yet been formed, so I open a deal for decrease, including there was also an intersection of the alligator sliding lines, and now they're starting to show. Alright, the downward trend, right? And there was a change in the direction of volumes on the oscillator. There was also a change in the color from green to red. So in this case you can open a deal for a short, like 100%. We have 8 seconds, let's just wait. Alright, so easy, we got our profit from first position. Now also here I caught a small price rollback, and actually after this rollback the prices are already more confidently rushed down, so there were no problems here. Great strategy. The further opening also continued in the amount of $100. Let's continue and pick up the next stock of the company. Alright, let's open long here. If my price goes down now a little lower, I will open another deal for the entire amount of my balance. There is a further potential for further upward movement. Previously there was an upward dynamic, as you can see, of movement. Then there was a little small flat, and now there is a potential for further upward movement. The alligator sliding lines are crossing right now, and they may change on my oscillator any minute now. Volumes, and again, show the upward direction and green color on the volume histogram. However, the rather controversial deal, so most likely if this deal does not close in the minus, I will open another one. Crap. As I said, let's open another one, additional position. After all, I see the upcoming intersection of the alligator sliding lines. It's happening right now, and I understand that the dynamics of the movement in the next minute or two should go up. Anyway, there was an upward trend earlier, and therefore here you can focus your attention on this. I also now see the appearance of green color right on the volume on the oscillator histogram. So let's look at the result of the third position. Yep, the third position is on profits. I was right. I was telling you this is how we do it, right? So yes, as I said, in the next minute dynamics of the movement rushed upward, and the local minimum was also updated, which gave an even greater percentage of positive. So closing this transaction and generally fixing the profit. So let's further opening with the maximum balance to carry out our previous position. And yep, let's continue. Alright, let's open position here for a long position. The main moment of opening here for me occurs due to the fact that I will again observe a change in volumes, right? And the color changed, right? A very tense moment. But here I'm more than sure that there was also an update of the local minimum earlier, and accordingly the local maximum should be updated. It has not been updated yet, guys, so it's worth concluding that the further dynamics of the moment will rush upward, and there is also a small upcoming intersection of the alligator sliding lines. So let's look at the results. And the position is in profits. That's great. Let's make the next opening, which I will also carry out for the maximum balance amount, and I will select the next deal more reliably and with more confident patterns. Let's continue. Alright, I will open position for long. I think I managed to hit a pretty good opening timing. Of course, it would have been possibly to choose a much better level of opening, but I think that the exit will happen. Most likely here after the global update, at the minimum, we will now have a possible change in the dynamics of the trend. And just at this pullback, I open a deal and think that an exit to the top should occur. I see changes on the oscillator, the colors of the volumes on its histogram, and also the direction gradually changed, and the intersection of the sliding lines of the alligator occurs. In general, the same logic of entry, so let's look at the results. Exit happened, and I closed the deal in the profits without any problems. Great, super profit from trading for today, and I probably don't want to risk anymore since I already have a fairly good balance at the moment. So let's consolidate this by opening a deal for $281, and I think that overall, even if the deal is close to the minus, my profit will $800. So yeah, I'm absolutely sure about it. It will suit me. Let's analyze and choose the next stock of the company. Let's open short trade here. We already opened a position here, right? We open it for an increase, but since we're trading on a fast time frame, the situation here was changed again, right? And here, in fact, it was possible to open a deal for an increase. Here it's quite complex, right? Entry. Since we have this area, and regardless of the indicator patterns, here the price can bounce up. But focusing here on the intersection of moving averages, alligator lines, there was also a change in the volume movement. On the histogram you can see, and the color also changed, right? So I opened a deal for short here. Unfortunately, I probably missed. Alright. The deal unfortunately closes in a minus, but there was no need to open the deal here initially. I understood that the price could easily bounce back after such a downward momentum movement impulse. In such situations, it's better not to open a deal, alright? You need to learn on my mistakes to escape them. So yeah, we should wait for some kind of rollback and then open the position. Alright, let's finish. Let's take our results out. Anyway, we're in the profits. Anyway, we did it. By the risk management, we're not in a loss. Okay, let's withdraw $800 as I said. Alright, nice trading for today, not bad. That's good because we're in the profits anyway. So thanks for watching. Try it on, learn on my mistakes, to escape them, and let me in the comments how much profit did you get. Is it useful for you, or you knew about this strategy? So don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Have a good market. Bye bye.